Good morning, students. Today we will do the continuous series of present, past, and future. Present continuous is also known as present progressive tense. As you can see, it is written in the present continuous tense. The action is ongoing, still going on, and hence continuous. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening at this current moment. Here, rule is written over here. You can also write with you subject plus is, am, are, then first form of the verb, and the ing word will be added in the first form, then object. So this is basically the main rule for the positive. As it is written over here, subject I, you, he. Here, I am watching television. You are watching television. So basically this helping form will be used as per the subject. Okay, am with usual I. Okay, he, she, it, and name is can be used, and in the same way are will be used with you, we, they, and any plural number. Okay, he is watching television, so by which it is quite clear whatever work you are doing can be expressed by the help of present continuous on the spot. Next part of the topic is past continuous tense. See, 4 types are given over here. Positive form. Basically, past continuous tense is used for the action which was continued, okay, which was happening in the past. Okay, let's see the subject as it is written over here. Subject plus was, were plus ing word, then object. Suppose I was starting, I was playing, she was playing, it was doing, we were traveling, you were driving the car, they were helping the poor. Okay, this is the positive form. Here negative form is written, subject plus was, were, then not shows the negativity, plus first form, then ing word, then object. It is also called as past progressive tense. For negative, I was not working, I was not starting, you were not starting, or you were not writing, they were not dancing. Object can be changed. Okay, let's see. Next, it is written over here question form. For question, was, were. This is the helping verb. Helping verb will come in front of the or in the beginning of the sentence. Was he starting, or was she driving, were they dancing, like that. If was or were will be at the beginning of the sentence, it means this is the question mark basically. So whenever anybody asks your question in the same way, you need to answer in the same tense. Next is future continuous. Future continuous hence is used to express action at a particular moment in the future. However, the action will not have finished at the moment. So this is for future, naturally, upcoming actions. Let's see the rule. Subject plus will be, then we first plus ing, and object. Okay, object can be any as per the requirement. See children, in the present continuous, be word was not used. In the past, be is not used, but in future, be will come. Okay, take care. I will be driving a car. She will be traveling by tomorrow. So like that, we can say anything. If we talk about the negative rule of the same, we will just place not word over here, okay, for the negative. For example, I will not be studying at 4 p.m. tomorrow. You will not be studying at 4 p.m. tomorrow. He will not be studying at 4 p.m. tomorrow. For making the interrogative of the same, just we will put this will at the beginning of the sentence. Then it will be interrogative form. Will you be traveling, okay, tomorrow? Will he be dancing, like that? So it will become a question mark sentences. So basically